HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand how variability affects statistical analyses. Consider an experiment that compares scores for women and men on a test. Here we can see that the average score for the women is much higher than the average score for the men. In fact, the average score for women is more than 50% higher than the average score for the men. Here are the individual scores for the men. Notice that most men had a score of 1, and a couple of men had a score of 2. Here are the individual scores for the women. As with the men, most of the women scored 1, and one woman scored a 2. However, one woman scored a 10, which was an extremely high score. The average score is 2, but the increase in the average score is completely due to just one extremely high score. A statistical analysis would show that this large difference in the average score between men and women could not be shared with the world because of the high variability. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.